We are keeping a close eye, of course, on Hurricane Irma. It is the most powerful Atlantic hurricane on record, being downgraded, though, to a Category 4. Its wind speeds are slightly decreasing, closer to about 160 miles an hour. The death toll has reached at least 12 as Irma heads straight for Florida. Jackie DeAngelis is standing by in Fort Lauderdale. First of all, let's get to WMAQ's meteorologist Kalee Dionne back at headquarters. She gives us the latest on that path of the storm. Kalee.
Still a very strong hurricane, Category 4, just on the brink of Category 5. So taking a look and talking about it downgrading, let's just not go into that at this point. If we look here at the track, it is still on target to go toward South Florida by early Sunday morning as a Category 4 storm at least. I wouldn't be surprised if we even see it intensify a little bit throughout the day today. We're going to see fluctuations between now and landfall on South Florida. 150-mile-per-hour winds at this point. Is going to move through some very warm waters. Now, as it moves closer to Florida, let's look at this. As we go into the day on Sunday, we're going to see some of the strongest winds in the northeast quadrant. So if it's moving up, you're going to look from really Miami up toward the Fort Lauderdale area. If it takes the track that it looks like at this point, those are going to be where the storm surge is going to be the highest. It's going to continue to have really strong winds well inland at this point. So if you're thinking, I can't see the ocean from my house, you still need to make sure you're preparing. And if you're in South Florida, evacuate. This is not hype. At this point, we need to prepare for the worst. We will have a better idea of exactly where this storm is going to make that north turn, which is huge in regards to where exactly it makes landfall. We'll have a better idea of that as we go into Saturday morning.
Okay, Saturday morning will be a key then. Thank you, Kalee. Now let's get to Jackie DeAngelis. She's in Fort Lauderdale.